welcome to this little video. It is the footage taken from my H501S-S S drone. It's a maiden flight. All the checks have been done, so off we go. This footage was taken at the edge of the Formby Pine Woods. It's a place I regularly come to walk my two Westies. They've had the walk today and they're back in the van now, so time to get used to the controls for the drone. I must say it is very, very easy to fly. With the GPS. As I will keep it on GPS for quite a while yet, till I do really get used to it. But I'm getting used to the controls slowly. So this is the edge of the Formby Pine Woods. A very popular area for dog walkers. The footage is not a particular project, it's just the footage that was taken during this maiden flight. I tried to follow me option, which worked perfectly. The return home, that functioned perfectly as well. All the controls very responsive. I had put one of my cameras underneath the controller to actually take some footage, but unfortunately it didn't turn on. Don't know why, but there you go. So no footage of the drone itself, but that will come in the future. Looking over towards Formby and further north, well, now that's one of the actual asparagus fields where the Formby asparagus is still grown, very popular. Looking over towards the pine woods. You go through the pine woods, then you come to the sand hills, Formby sand hills, asparagus fields, some of them not in use now, and then sand hills, and then to the beach where we're less than half a mile from the beach here. That's Formby, classed as a village. It is more or less a small town. Formby in Merseyside, that is. Formby, home of a few football stars, Stevie Gerrard for one, snooker players choose to live here. I've come right down low now, see it, testing the hovering, which worked brilliantly. Really pleased, just a few feet off the ground, and it was quite a breezy day today. Yeah, so it did really well. Looking up higher there, heading again in the direction of Formby, that's the direction of Liverpool. Over that way is north, is Southport, just a few miles away. You can just see the sea. Yeah, just come into view. You see the sand hills and the sea beyond. All the ships coming out of Liverpool go past. And the pine woods themselves, which stretch all the way from Ainsdale down to Crosby. Yeah, lovely area, and especially when it's dry weather. Beautiful to go walking in the pine woods. And down, further on, down to the beach. The boys love it down there, running wild on the beach. Well, we're coming to an end now. We've had, I think it was 12 minutes. Coming up to 12 minutes, yeah, and there we are landing. A nice, soft landing. Perfect.